Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea over coffee because it has a wider variety of flavors and is more soothing. Tea also has health benefits like being high in antioxidants and aiding digestion.
Question number 2. How often do you drink coffee, tea?
Tea is something I drink once or twice a day, usually in the morning and occasionally in the afternoon. I only drink coffee on rare occasions.
Question number 3. Do you sometimes go out for coffee or tea?
Yes, I occasionally go out for coffee or tea. I like being able to unwind with a cup of something while also taking in the atmosphere of a cafe. It's a great way for me to recharge my batteries.
Question number 4. Where are your favorite places to drink tea or coffee?
Cafes with a cozy atmosphere and delicious drinks are my favorite places to drink tea or coffee. I also enjoy visiting tea shops that specialize in unusual and exotic teas.
Question number 5. When was the last time you drank tea or coffee?
This morning was the last time I drank tea. I enjoy starting my day with a cup of tea because it helps to wake me up and get my day started on a positive note.
Question number 6. What do you usually prepare for your guests, tea or coffee?
Tea is a more versatile beverage, so I usually prepare it for my guests. Tea can be easily customized to suit any individual's preferences, allowing everyone to enjoy a beverage that they enjoy.
Question number 7. Do Indian people like to drink tea or coffee?
Yes, Indians enjoy drinking tea or coffee. India is a country where tea is a common beverage, frequently served with milk and spices. Coffee is also gaining popularity in India, particularly in urban areas.
Question number 8. Do you know anyone who doesn't like tea or coffee?
Yes, I know people who dislike tea or coffee. Some people dislike the taste, while others prefer to drink something else, such as juice or soda.
Question number 9. Do you offer tea or coffee to someone when they visit you at your home?
Yes, I usually offer tea or coffee to visitors who come to my house. It's a nice way to show hospitality and a great way to spend time with friends or family.
You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.